Kambe sigelela ukhona mask right khona ne sanitizer ne okay so okay right ne okay
Sanda wazi manje lesitudio kwasabonakala.
Ubawutra mina angikwaha
Nengane kuli.
Nengane? Kokuba inozamo. Kokuba inozamo.
Abanga uzamastayisa mfethu.
Yaphila kanjani?
Uzake sibaqabe la. Yabona ukuthi
Sinibingelele futhi sanamukele mhlawumbe ezocela abafethu bayichaze ukuthi bawobani then basitshele kabanzi nge-deprived youth service nanokuthi yenzani iqale nini and izinto imkhakha focus kuyona ngibona kuno-youth I believe ukuthi it's more of youth just to explain about the whole concept.
Siyabonga igama lami uNhlanhla Chiliza founder ye-Deprived Youth Services.
I'm also a co-founder of a Deprived Youth Service.
Just to give a background of the organization was started by both of us in 2007. Sipumaka Love Life, and the aim was to mobilize young people through performing arts and also to cater for ama talent abo. Then because both of us are dancers, then sasatufundisa abantu ukudansa. We use igceke kubo kakhetha ukuthi sifundise abantu ukudansa. If you can name nje abantu sesibafundisile ukudansa, ungabala abantu abanjengo Babes Odumo, Oslender, so bonke nje sesibafundisa under the banner of this organization. And inhloso futhi enye ukuthi sibanikeza ama life skills abantwana ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bazi ukuthi babheke self esteem yabo and also ukuthi bashintshe behavior emakhaya and also to community bahlala kuyona angazi khona nga-educator.
Okay, I think I'm going to carry on a phase where like at the beginning stage where emva we had to do ama dance performances okuyonto motivate and abashuthi to come and do what's in the center. So in the end through that sathola opportunity ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi so perform kwenye event ya government under social development ebizwa Child Protection Week. So from there that's where our first relationship developed. Relationship with social development. Social development kahle ngasho ukuthi uyena i-motherboard yethu wena obawuma wethu owazi usicathulisa from scratch. Sisa community based organization up until sesiwazi ukusibe registered NPO. So ukuze sikuleyo process leyo kwafanele si-attende sibe ngaphansi kwayo i-organization u-DSD, si-attende ama-classes akhona sikwazi ukuthi si-uplift abantu abasha. Enye into eyenzakala ukuthi we found ourselves ukuthi basi-register ngo-2009 sithi from 2007. So kulesi khathi lesi senza khona sasingekho registered. Then but another 3 years went along, then we were first funded in 2012. So lelo bridge lelo lakwazi formalize kwazi abantu abasha ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi senze into ekwazi ukuthi manje be-recognize emphakathini bakwazi nakuthi kube easy ukuthi basi-recommend to other stakeholders in terms of funding or sikwazi uku-access ama-resources. Then from there that's where even emphakathini basi-recognize ukuthi how these young people they have something to do, and thina sasifuna into ezorelate kumuntu omusha because at our time sesikhule elokishini bengekho into directly linked to young people. Into bekukhona nje other organization, but also they're really focusing on our age group. So then with that, then we grew our resources because our first office was a mini office, like a one-room office, where computer where financial at that time. Then from then we grew DST what I was recognized because as a register Singapore database then from 2012 up until now. But just to give a clear indication, the private services is currently running under a building actually marketing multimedia center. So you're not building a well recognized Manjela Lamunville a service Abandabasha. Our programs is focusing on directly we want OTST as Fandila one. You can use on information dissemination, which is our front part of the center, where you are able to access service, financial printing, photocopying, typing of CVs, or apply from internet, which is our free internet, or apply in savings, or you look for a job, or you apply like SAO form from the university. Abanye they do researches, abanye benza afternoon homeworks, abanye benza la mhlawumbe ukuthi bayafika bafuna ukuzoscanner or they want to bakwazi ukuthi forward my documents update and needed somewhere else. They are using this area. It's also about information dissemination. That's because you also come here just to access information. You know what? Kuna ma pamphlets for under business, pamphlets under colleges or universities, pamphlets under our stakeholders that you are working with, many government institutions, many organizations are within and around Inamonville, and then. Information center also service not only in Ilamunville, which I need to make it clear, because youth center as a whole is service from Sisugere Hamasdale, Chatsworth, Ilamunville, and surrounding areas of Bluff, Wentworth, Miapenki, or then Skubese, Uspingo, Mlazi, Tsimbini, Sisofika, Bumbul. So all these offices are services by this center. So information center, information dissemination. Whoever young person or reside within those parameters, they are able to access those services. And you services is now youth center skills. Skills with other partners. It's either now private or government or any other stakeholder that's or other trainings. No must bad. So what normally happens is that we have our skills that we are doing as a center team within Anjango basic computer training or ICT and support. So we work on food, work on life skills, work on vocational skills or plumbing or carpentry or beauty and therapy or printing and design, which are within Amacorp as a trainer youth center, I reside within youth center. Then me say you think no private, no government, no municipal. When I come from outside, you're only utilizing space where you can my internship or my leadership and all of this. So many boys are exercise also private. Sometimes we come with an individual, not who are accredited and under seats. At only training, they only need a base. Then they will come here, they will bring those young people, they will number, then they will be able to access that particular seat. And to tell you, then the other two services
we also have a basic computer training whereby we help young people with training computer. As you all know, with NSC, Davetela 24th Industrial, so as a center, we are ready to train young people on that. We have a lab, like a computer, and also another program, a corner, a community empowerment program, where we do awareness campaign. Under that we do is engaging back to school drive at the center into win. Then go be awareness campaigns, sanitary dignity campaign, or gender-based violence, drug, unemployment awareness, and also we do holiday programs where we help young people with make value call bangabovanzi. What says I show background with us but room dance. So now strategize how to immobilize them. Maybe na activities about when I holiday program. Then see na camp, as when I go be district camp, a provincial camp, the national camp where we help young people with information and with how does other young people deal with issues facing them in different wards until we go fair with province. But yeah, his center has been making very impressive work with community of Lamontville and surrounding areas at eThekwini South Districts. We are one of the organizations that has been recognized even by Premier and also by Social Development or MEC. As the organization that we are doing, we're providing job opportunities. As Ketai mentioned, we have cooperatives that are here within our center, where abantu they are self-employed and also they hire abanye abantu abasha futhi ukuthi bahlangane balekelelane ukuthi business ile phambili. And also we have created job opportunities through learnership and also through partnership ukuthi abantu abasha baqasheke ababe ready, and also we help them to register companies abo ke ukuthi abantu bayonela aba companies and siba motivate senze izinto ezifana njengama business seminar, senze izinto ezifana njengama business workshop, so that we can empower those young people ukuthi as umuntu omusha deprived services is there for you in partnership with Social Development to make sure ukuthi when you get a platform and also get all the resources that you are required as umuntu omusha or corner within i-premises as eThekwini South Districts.
No, what we can add in Amazwi to the closing, anything that would say as a Tindum Pagati, youth and all, then we close.
Okay. As a youth center, obviously we want to grow. We want to touch more of young people's lives. So the direction is the mind, like I mentioned, the fourth industrial revolution, and also the sense of self-sustaining, relying on funding all the time. So the direction is as a youth center now. It's just that we've already within our employees to say trainee and facilitator, assessor, and moderation. So we want to build a formal relationship. We've already spoken with youth directorate from the province and our social development, Mr. Tulan Makwasa, what we are promised to assist in terms of a formal relationship, FETs around eThekwini. So whoever a young person or beneficiary you send, I was directly once on the program directly link. I was on MFT. Another one would as a youth center also see the squads were accredited, which is squads to host our young people that are within around eThekwini South, which I was with Afundi Laikaya, every fundiswa youth, a train with Laikaya, this will be growth services self-sustainable, just was city like fundings. Another one that I would like to share is that youth center we want also with growth. It was branch out, not only IBC Lamontville, but it was branch out so you can able to reach out to the other communities. As much as we're working with other local offices, but for Tina we are directly involved where we can able to assist in terms of that. Sipping and social development for being with us all this time, close to 10 years now. They've been finding us. To attend trainings or any other initiative that they always support. Local schools, local councillors, local organization that's always being part of us, organize programs. All of that, they are the one that's always ukuthi mesivuka ekuseni sibe motivated ukuthi sivuke, because we know they are there. Whatever that we initiate, they're gonna support. So those are the words mina ngibafuna ukubasho.
Yeah, mhlambe okunye is that we like to thanks more ama beneficiaries ethu emphakathini ukuthi you guys as young people you showed us ukuthi you really need our services. And also okunye mhlambe that I want to stress out is that if you are a young person and you have a dream, you need to make sure that you have all the resources to pursue that dream, so that iphupho lakho lizophumelela, because iphupho lakho lisezandleni zakho. And also anything ngathanda ukuyishare nabo is that as a young person, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail empilweni. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
Touch.
Yeah, no, that's good.